In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Hostinger domain to GoHighLevel. We'll start inside GoHighLevel. Open the official website and sign into your account so you land on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This is where all your account and site configuration lives. Inside Settings, scroll until you see Domains and open that section. You'll be adding your custom domain here, so GoHighLevel knows which address to connect. Click Add New Domain, then type your domain exactly as you want it to appear. For example, your domain.com. Double check your spelling and avoid extra spaces or prefixes. When you submit it, GoHighLevel will generate the DNS records you need to add on your domain host. Typically, you'll see two types, a CNAME and an A record. The A record points your root domain to an IP address, and the CNAME usually points a subdomain, like www to GoHighLevel. Copy these values carefully so you can paste them into Hostinger. Now switch over to Hostinger and log into your account. Open your domain dashboard so you can manage DNS for the domain you just added in GoHighLevel. Select the domain, then look for DNS Zone or DNS Editor. This is the area where you create and edit your DNS records. Add the records provided by GoHighLevel. Paste the name exactly as shown, and then add or update the A record with the IP address you were given. If you see existing A or CNAME records with the same host name, update those instead of creating duplicates. Leaving the default TTL is usually fine. Be careful not to remove unrelated records unless you're sure they're not needed. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply your DNS settings. If you're using GoHighLevel via a browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. If you're using Hostinger, the domain management link is there as well. Head back to GoHighLevel and click Verify. If it doesn't verify immediately, don't worry. DNS propagation can take some time. It may work within minutes, but it can also take a few hours, and in rare cases up to 24 to 48 hours. During this period, avoid making constant changes, as that can restart the propagation clock. Once verification succeeds, GoHighLevel will confirm the connection, and your domain is live on the platform. From here, you're ready to use your custom domain for your funnels and sites within GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.